Hi, in this video I'm going to make a dice rolling app in which you can increase or decrease chances of outcome of any number. Here you can see I have created 6 different images having numbers, but you can use dots instead of numbers as you see in real world dice. I have created these images in MS Paint of size 200 by 200 pixels. Now let's run the app, and here you can see when I click this button I am getting random numbers. If I want to get more number of sixes, then I will enter here 6 and I will click on more chances. You can see the list is appending with number 6 whenever I click this button. Now let's roll the dice and you can see I am getting more number of sixes. If I click less chances, you can see the number 6 is popping out from the list. And now I will roll the dice. You can see I am getting more number of sixes. When I reset the chance, you can see the list came to its original form. Now let's begin the coding. If you are using VS Code, then make sure you navigate to your project directory like this. Otherwise it will not find your images file. Now I will import tkinter module from tkinter module, import everything, and now I will create my main window named as root. Now I will set its size and geometry. Root dot geometry 500 by 500 and root dot title dice rolling app with probability changing. Now I will use main loop method. Now I will use photo image function of tkinter module, photo image, and here I will pass my file name 1.png and I will store in variable named as pic. Now I will create a label named as L, and here I will pass root, my main window, and pic as image. Now I will pack it. Now let's run the code and see. Here you can see image is appearing. Now we have to create buttons here. I will create a button named as B. I will pass root and I will write a text here. Click here to roll the dice. Now I will use pack method. Now I will need a entry box to get input from user, so I will create a entry box named as number entry. Here I will pass root and I will use pack method for it. Now let's run the code. Here I want a default text saying enter number here to change its outcome, so I will use text here. So I will use insert method here, number dot insert. Here I will provide beginning position as 0 and I will pass a string here, enter number to change its outcome. Now I need 3 buttons, one will to increase chance, second will be to decrease chance, and third will be to reset chance. So I am creating buttons. INC increase, text increase chance, and INC dot pack. I will create a second button. Decrease chance, and deck dot pack. Now reset button. Reset chance, res.pack. Now let's run the code. Here you can see the layout is almost done. I have to change its background color to yellow. So I will use bg attribute. Here I will pass yellow color. Now let's run it. And here you can see I have to increase its length. So I will use width attribute in entry box. Width equal to 40 will be right. See, now let's make it functionable. So we will need 4 functions. First one is to roll the dice, so I will define roll, and here I will use photo image function, and here I will pass file. Now I will need choice function of random module, so I am importing it from random, import choice. Here I have to create a list of files in main function. Pick list equal .png. Two, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I will pass my list in file choice function, and here I will use pick list. Now I will store this in variable named as pick, and here I will use configure method l.configure, and I will pass image. Now I will set label L image to pick, l.image equal pick. Now let's pass the roll function in button. Here command equal to roll. Now let's run the code, and you can see here when I click this button I am getting random images. Now let's create functions for these buttons too. So I will create a function named as MC more chances, def MC and here number from entry box will append it to list. So I will use append method, pick list dot append, and here I will pass number dot get, and here I will use string formatting, number dot get dot png. Now it's done. But what if user enters 8, 9 or 10? Then you have to check for it. If number dot get in 1, as you know, when user will enter any number, its data type will be string. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now after appending the list will be printed. Print pick list. Now let's create less chance function lc, def lc. Here last item will be popped out. So pick list dot pop. But what will happen if total number of items in list is less than 6? So I will use if length of pick list is greater than 6, then only item will be popped. Now let's print the list. Now let's create function for reset chance, def rs reset chance, and here I have to use keyword global to change the list, and here I will just copy it. Now let's pass these functions into buttons. Here command MC, and here command will be LC, and here command will be RC. Here I have to use RC. Now let's run the program. Here you can see when I will click this button, I am getting random images. If I want more number of 6s, then I will enter 6 here and I will click on increase chance. You can see 6 is appending in list, so probability of getting 6 is increased. Now let's roll the dice. I am getting more number of 6s now. If I will increase too much, then see, I will get mostly 6. If I want to decrease chance, see, number is popping out, the last item is popping out from the list, and if I click reset chance, the list came to its original form. I know this app is not perfect, but this is made to teach you, and in real world projects too, improvement is always made. Thanks for watching the video. You can share this video with your friends and subscribe it if you want to see more videos like this.